Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Therefore, in light of decisions of the Apex Court and the discussion, the scope of interference with the findings of arbitrator as confirmed by the district judge on the basis of principles enunciated by Apex Court goes to show that the dispute will have to be decided. Stop. The objections were not accepted as they did not fall within the purview of the objections which could be raised under the Act, and the judgment of this court and the Apex Court was relied by the learned judge. Stop. The arbitrator gave all his reasons for allowing the claim of the present respondent. Just because the name of the arbitrator was revoked by the appellant, his judgment could not be assailed under the said fact. Stop. Section 34 and 41 of the Specific Relief Act. Stop. And therefore the said act did not apply. The arbitrator was under a duty to decide the lease. Stop. The appellants, though objected to the appointment of the said arbitrator, the said objection was not considered by this court. Also, in first appeal from order preferred before this court. Stop. Hence, the said submission has been rightly rejected by the court below. Stop. Even on merits, it cannot be said that it is an ex parte award as they were fully represented and the appellants avail the opportunity of placing their objections both before the arbitrator as well as the court below, and therefore also no interference can be made in the rule of the code made by the court below, and the reasoning given would not permit this court to interfere with the findings in view of the decision in case of Bharat Cooking Coal Limited versus Annapurna Construction 2003 within bracket 8 SCC 154. Stop para. Recently, the Apex Court in K. Marayappan within bracket dead versus Superintending Engineer TB PHLC Circle Anantapur 2019 JX within bracket SC 391, and in Ravichi and Company versus Union of India AIR 2018 SC 3109 has interpreted the role of the courts while hearing matters under the Arbitration Act. Stop. The judgments go to show that pendent light interest will depend upon several factors such as semicolon phraseology used in the agreement clauses conferring power relating to arbitration, nature of claim and dispute referred to arbitrator, and on what items power to award interest has been taken away and for which period. Stop. The court observed para. Thus, our answer to the reference is that if contract expressly bars award of interest pendent light, the same cannot be awarded by the arbitrator. Stop. And that the bar to award interest on delayed payment by itself will not be readily inferred as express bar to award interest pendent light by the arbitral tribunal, as ouster of power of the arbitrator has to be considered on various relevant aspects referred to in the decisions of this court. It would be for the division bench to consider the case on merits. Stop. Thanks for watching.